So we're going to be using about 200 grams or 2 cups of rava or semolina. I'm using the fine rava. I'm going to be using 200 grams or 2 cups of regular white sugar, 100 grams of butter at room temperature, 50 grams of freshly grated coconut, a teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder, 50 ml or half a cup of thick coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I will list all the ingredients in my description box below. Now we're going to beat in the vanilla into the eggs. We're going to whisk it in well. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to put this egg and vanilla mixture first. To that, I'm going to be adding my sugar. And I'm going to be whisking this very well till everything gets well incorporated. Now we are going to add the butter, which is at room temperature. It has to be really nice and soft. So we'll add in our butter. Now also line a cake tin, a 7 by 7 inches cake tin with some parchment paper or butter paper. Whisk everything well. You can use an electric mixer or you can use a hand mixer. Now I'm also adding my elaichi powder and cardamom powder at this time. And I'm going to whisk this mixture for about 5 whole minutes. Now I've ground this coconut coarsely in a mixer. We don't want a paste, but we want a coarse mixture. So I'm going to add this freshly grated coconut, which I have just blitzed in my mixer. Fold it into this mixture. Next, we're going to be adding this thick coconut milk. This gives a real good flavor to the coconut or cake or the Baath. Now we're going to add in all of our semolina or rava. Mix it in well. And now all we have to add is just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'll add the baking powder and then we're just going to cover up this mixture and let it sit aside for 1 entire hour. You can put a timer on your phone or your watch and just let this mixture sit in a nice cool dark place for about 1 entire hour. Cover it and keep it aside. And after an hour, you will see that the mixture has all come together and it thickens up like this. It becomes a nice thick batter, like a cake batter. At this time, you can preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Pour this entire batter into this cake tin. And then we're just going to bake it for 45 minutes or even 30 minutes, all depending upon your oven. I mean, everybody's oven is different, but when you insert a knife into it, it should come out really clean. That shows that your Baath or your coconut cake is completely ready. So as you can see, the knife has come out really clean. So now keep this cake aside for about 10 to 15 minutes till it has completely cooled down. And only then we are going to cut up this cake into slices or squares as you desire. Normally they are thick squares. but you can cut it up as you like. But only ensure that your mixture has actually cooled, your cake has actually cooled down before cutting it up. And this bath has a very long shelf life also. If you store it in an airtight container, it can last for about 2 to 3 weeks. You can refrigerate it in the nights, and again when you want to serve it, just keep it out for about an hour before serving. You can also warm it up in the microwave so it becomes nice and hot, and it tastes really good that way. So friends, I hope you like this recipe. You can see that the bath has become a beautiful golden brown color. So if you like this recipe, do leave your comments in the comment box below. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button that you see below this video. And once you have subscribed, don't forget to click the little golden bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll get a notification of the same. Share my recipes with family and friends. Visit my channel. I've got more than 200 recipes and a load of Christmas recipes. And I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care guys until we meet again. See ya.